This is Osmosis FX. Welcome to DXY for week 3 of May, and let's actually see what's our expectation on DXY. So let's go down to, we've been selling DXY for some while, so I'm favoring the downside on DXY, but let's just go down to weekly for an overview of what we're looking at on a much higher time frame. So this has been DXY for some while. So we could see that DXY had a sweep here inside the demand, flip here. We had a demand change of character. We revisit the demand. After visiting the demand, we have a rally, base rally that broke this immediate supply. Price came back into the demand. We also have a rally, base rally that broke the other one and broke the supply. So we are expecting a revisit into this major demand here, this major last sell candle. So whatever DXY is doing here, we are still coming down. It may be bullish today, but the trend is ascending. So we already have a low, a high, a lower low, and a higher high. So we're expecting a higher low. Sorry, this is a higher low rather. So we're expecting a new higher low, and through my Fibonacci has already given me this zone to be my buy zone. Meanwhile, I have another block here on the weekly inside this zone. I realize I have a liquidity here, a double bottom here. So I'm looking to take that liquidity. Then my previous last week low, price still inside the previous week low and high. So expectation for this week is price to take the low and take out this liquidity, either of these two. These are the two magnets that I feel that price will look out for. Also, if price should go higher, then price will not come back to mitigate here. Instead, price will take this place out. As if price goes higher, price is heading for this higher time frame supply. So expectation for me this week is to see a bearish reversal back into this market structure demand. That's just my expectation. So from here, I've already gone down to daily, and from daily I've already given me some confluence of a bearish move, but I needed more confluence on 4 hours. So I believe the news today is going to possibly affect, because the news today is 1:30, and the major news is Powell speak, which is 3 p.m. But CPI is a good record, and CPI is going to really affect what we have. Also, we have GDP, which is 7 o'clock. Looks like no news has been released yet. So I'm expecting bearish move on DXY. So okay, my internet. This is my internet flaws. So let me go down to 4 hour. Okay, so majorly I'm looking out for sell setup, and if price should do according to the sell setup, this is 4-hour setup. I already explained this sweep last week, and price came into it. We have a strong rejection, and it came back to this demand and is reacting to take out this demand. I'm not favoring this demand. because this demand has been tested. Immediately price took out this low, took out the high, and we have a flip, a change of character. Price pulled into this supply. You can see how the supply candles sold. We have this break of high, and we have this break of low. So we have a supply here. That's why I marked out this zone. So I'm expecting to see price selling from this zone downward. So that's my expectation for DXY. I'm still bearish on DXY, and you can see from my weekly time frame zone is also active in here, and I'm just waiting to see price come into this zone, and I see a change of character to signify that we are going up. Then I will join the trend, but presently I'm bearish on the trend. If price should like, price can revisit this zone again, no problem. The only problem is if price takes out this zone. So we look at CPI for a good update, and whatever comes, we already have a view. All right, love you guys. Do like and subscribe. See you on the next ones. As you know, I don't drop videos on Monday. I like to see what Tuesday is all about.